Okay, so I'm playing Minecraft, and you know those like mountains? Yeah, I'll show you. This right here, this mountain right here. I created like a little house. We got a little door. I thought this was like really cool. We got some light in here. It's not finished yet, but you know. I don't know what that's gonna be. I just made a spot. See, I like it. And it goes like pretty far back actually. Like I made it all the way to the other side of the mountain. And I was like, huh. Anyway. See. I don't know, I think it's kind of creative. That's just me. That's just me. Yep. Oh crap. And there you have it. I dare you guys. Well, I don't dare you because I really don't care. But you should show. If you have Minecraft, go make like a little room house in the mountain. It's actually pretty cool. Do it. Do it.